Are you looking to avoid surgery with regenerative medicine options? Are you looking for anything that may be safer yet equally as effective as some surgical options for knee arthritis or for knee pain? If you are, then stay tuned. Over the next 2 minutes, we're going to show you some of the options we have at Texas Orthobiologics. If you've been told you have bone-on-bone knee arthritis, or if you have x-rays that look like these, or if you've been told you need a knee replacement surgery, or that you need a meniscus surgery, don't immediately schedule surgery without learning all of your other non-surgical options. At Texas Orthobiologics, we're led by an orthopedic surgeon. We've been in practice for 26 years, and we have a 17-year track record of keeping people out of the operating room, giving them good pain relief, and avoiding some of the major orthopedic knee surgeries that they've often been told that they need right away. Have a listen to one of our recent patients. Okay, Dr. Buford here, and our patient's on the left. Back in today, we are 5 years out from bone marrow concentrate injections for both knees, which are both have advanced arthritis. We'll show the x-ray separately, but back today because symptoms have started to show up again. Tell me, in your own words, about the last 4 or 5 years.
Well, after I was looking at knee replacement prior to seeing you, but as sort of in my mind, the last resort, I agreed to do the injections, and I'm very pleased with the results. As you stated, it was 5 years ago on both knees. I've had good mobility. It's been helpful with the pain and the aggravation, and I've just lately started noticing some of the similar symptoms I was having.
And that's what brought you back in?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the rest of today, we're going to talk about options that we have today to see if we can still keep you out of a knee replacement. But I appreciate you sharing your story.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I'm glad to do it. It's been very, very helpful to me.
Thank you. So this could be you. Results definitely vary, but we will not recommend procedures that we don't think have a high likelihood of working for you. At Texas Orthobiologics, you can see us in person in Dallas, Texas, or you can call us at 877-777-8883, and we can even set up a telemedicine option. Our website is texasorthobiologics.com. Come visit us and see why we're the #1 rated orthopedic surgery and regenerative medicine clinic in the United States by verified patient reviews.